The distance around the outside of a circle is called the circumference of the circle. To calculate the circumference of a circle, the formula is pi times d. The d stands for the diameter of a circle. Pi is approximately 3.14. For a more exact value, we need to use a calculator. Here is the pi button on this calculator. In order to calculate pi on this calculator, you need to press Shift first. All calculators are different, so you must consult the instructions to find out where to find the pi button. To find the area of a circle, the formula is pi r squared. The r stands for the radius of a circle. The radius is half of the diameter. So to find the circumference of this circle, pi times d, we need to first of all find out the diameter of the circle. The radius is half of the diameter. We will know what the diameter is. 4 times 2 is 8. The diameter is 8 centimetres. So pi times 8 equals 25.13 centimetres, rounded to 2 decimal places. To find the area of the circle, we need to do pi times r squared. The radius is 4, so pi times 4 squared equals 50.27 square centimetres, rounded to the 2 decimal places. Let's have a look at the following question. Zach wants to put a pond in his back garden with a diameter of 5 metres. His garden is rectangular and measures 8 metres by 6 metres. Calculate the area of a garden that will be left over once Zach has built his pond. Round your answer to 2 decimal places. To find the answer, we need to work out the amount of space the pond will take up. We can find this out by calculating the area of the pond. So to find the area of the circle, the formula is pi r squared. Find the radius by dividing the diameter by 2. So 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5. Pi times 2.5 squared equals 19.63 squared metres. Rounded to 2 decimal places, so the area of the pond is 19.63 squared metres. We now need to find the area of Zach's garden. So before his pond is built, he has 8 times 6 equals 48 square metres of garden. So if Zach builds his pond, the pond will take up 19.63 square metres. So if we deduct the area of the pond from the area of the garden, we will be able to find the area of the garden left over. 48 minus 19.63 equals 28.37 square metres. Here's another one. Mary has a circular-shaped flower bed in her garden with a diameter of 4 metres. She wants to add the edging all around the outside. Calculate the minimum length of edging she will need. Round your answer to 2 decimal places. For this question, we need to find the circumference of the circle because the edging needs to go all around the outside of the circular flower bed. The circumference is the distance around the outside. To calculate the circumference, the formula is pi times the diameter of the circle. So we need to do pi times 4. Pi times 4 equals 12.57 metres, rounded to 2 decimal places. So the minimum length of edging required is 12.57 metres.